Go get him.
He's gonna take a nice video of himself.
Look for it, Bill.
What's your name, brother? Billy? That's Tina.
Old setup.
Tommy getting some cards to sign autographs.
Does he like Bill or Billy? Billy, right? B-I-L-L-Y?
Bad history with these reviews.
You got him inside, Tate?
I did get him inside.
You gotta give a big smile. You gotta tell him White Lightning's #1 this year. Tell him.
Wait, what?
Who's #1 this year? What do you think's
Lightning.
who's gonna win it?
White Lightning.
White Lightning's in the house?
Yeah.
Say it, White Lightning's in the house.
White Lightning's in the house.
All right.
Awesome.
Used to do your own little webcams, now you do your own somebody else's. So paint job. That's a drag.
Right there.
See the look. See the picture.
I love it. You going in next?
Look at the grill. What do you realize about the grill?
Ready?
So this entire
Come on in.
Always about the kids, right, Tommy?
She's easy. She jumps right in like nothing, right? Go ahead. You got your camera? And what's your first name?
White Lightning in the house.
What is it? Harper. Harper? How do you spell it?
I raced this. It's actually not a show car.
I like Harley Quinn.
You like being in there? Isn't that a cool car? That's for the steering wheel. But the steering wheel comes off. Yeah. Isn't that cool?
You're sitting in an actual race car.
Don't try that at home. Your steering wheel will come off of your car.
Yeah. You're sitting in an actual race car. Yeah, very cool, huh? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hold on, I gotta give her her card. Sir, I got the card. I'm sorry, I filled it out, but I didn't give it to you. Thank you so much. Sorry, sir. Watch your hands for a second, okay? Can I shut the door? Nova K!
He went out for a smoke.
Mom, we want to look at
break.
He didn't even see me.
I know. I had my hat on.
Oh my God. All right, I'm leaving. Everybody get some seat. Thank you. Huh? Oh, yeah, there's my kids from Nice meeting you. I'm gonna go. Are you going to go? Let's come in. Yeah, we'll come
Bye. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. They probably think it's hard.
What time you have? The show ends at 6 o'clock. Gotta load up, pack everything up. So maybe 9 p.m. White Lightning will be headed back to New York,
How you doing?
Long Island.
He wanted to get out. What you need? What? Dylan. D-I-L-L-I-O-N? Oh, D-Y-L-A-N. Got it.
Kanaki!
You know what kind of car this is?
No, we can't.
Here, it's 1970 Nova.
Chris!
1970.
Right there. Got a minute?
Which car you like? Here you go, what's that?
That's why I hit him. I picked him up and threw him out of here about that.
Tommy, your young girl wants to get in your car.
Come on, sweetie.
You got her on that side?
Yes, I do.
What's the name?
M-A-K-E.
Wait, do I have to put it in?
Yep, you just climb in there, get your foot in there. Got it? Hey.
So it feels like big in here.
Hmm?
It feels big in here and like
Yes.
it feels kind of weird because it's not the thing that you pull down inside the car. And there's a fan and no wheel. And this, whatever that is. I don't know. And like there's no back seat.
No, no back seat.
And like there's a whole bunch of
Say cheese. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I brought them down to the car show so they can see the different cars.
Awesome.
What you say?
It's big in here.
It's nice meeting you too. There's no steering wheel. Just don't try that at home. Your steering wheel will come out of your car.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get your car.
Really spacious.
Yes, well, Tommy's a tall guy. White Lightning.
Short.
He's yeah. You and me both. Short.
I can stay on the chair to reach the top cabinet to get cereal. It's so big in here. Daddy! I can drive.
Yeah.
It feels weird being in Does he have a fan in here just in case it gets hot?
Yes, it gets hot in there. She wants to know why there's a fan in there.
There's a fan in there. Well, it gets real hot in there. That's for sure. In the summertime, when he has on a helmet and all his safety gear, it's really hot. So the fan helps a little bit.
Come on, Kelly, let's go check out some other cars. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
You see that big Peterbilt right there? That's what you call a Peterbilt.
Peterbilt.
Yeah, that's a good truck. One of the most successful trucks out there. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
It's a 57 Jet.
Do you all want to get in here? No?
Do you want to come and get in the car or?
You want to get in here? Come on, little man.
Wants to get in there.
Step right up. Come on. Okay. Come on. Just climb in. Got it? There's no steering wheel. Don't try that at home.
Oh, you like this?
Look at that shifter. Curious.
Yeah, he wants to
Look
check
at-
everything out.
Yes. Future race car driver.
It's easy on those buttons, though.
Johnson. You ready? You like it?
Ready?
Help him out of there.
Sorry, guys.
Like the car?
Thank you.
Like it?
Have a good one. We'll come back, guys.